Good evening, class 6. Let's continue with the worksheet. Sum number 13. A man spends 1/10 part of his monthly income as house rent and 3/5 part to maintain his family and saves the rest. If his monthly saving is rupees 4,500, find his monthly income. So, total expenses 1/10 plus 3/5. That's equals to 7/10th part. 7/10th. Okay. Therefore, saving is how much? 1 minus 7/10. That is equals to 3/10. We know his saving is given as 4,500. So, for 3/10th part, his saving is 4,500. So for one part his saving is how much? Three 15,000 is his salary. Salary is 15,000. Okay. Next we move to sum number 14. If 2/3 of a number is subtracted from it, result is 100. Find the number. So let the number subtracted be x. Let the number subtracted be x. This is 14 number. So it is told if 2/3 of a number is subtracted. So x minus 2/3 of x equals to, we get 100. Take the LCM. X equals to 300. Okay. Next, sum number 15. Find the square root of the following. First one, this is 15 subpart 1. First one, we have to find out the square root of this one. 172225. I'm going to solve this by division method. So 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, so 8 2s are 16, so 8 1s are 81, 4 2 5, 41 2s are how much? 2 4 2s are 8, 82, so 82 5s are, okay, so 825 sorry this one. Okay, so this is the square root. Square root of 172225 is 415. Okay, next subpart 2. 15 subpart 2. Find out the square root of 8,798,44. So 9 9s are 81, 6 9 8, 9 2s are 18, okay, so 183 is 9 24, 549, 9, 4 is 1. 14944. 93 twos are how much? So 18. 186. So 186. 88, sir. 8 is 64, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 64, 60. Okay, 8, sir. So 938 is the square root of the second one. Third subpart. To find out the square root of 311, 364. Five fives are 25, 613, 10. So 104. 5, 20. So I think we'll go 106. So 105, 5, sir. 525. 8. Okay. 8864. 55 twos are 5 twos are 10, 11. Okay, so this is 8. So the square root is how much? 558. Okay, next sum number 16. Find the value of this one. 12 square plus 16 square. So 12 square is 144, 16 square is 256. So we have to add 256 and 144. It's 10. So square root of 400. It's 20. Okay. Next, sum number. This was sum number 16. So sum number 17. The product of two positive number is 1024 and their quotient is 4. Find the numbers. This is number 17. Product of two number is this one, 1024. Is one number is x, other number is y, and next step, the next part, their quotient is 4. That means I can write x equals to 4y. Now we are going to put the value in this particular equation. So xy equals to 1024. If I put the value of x as 4y into y equals to 1024, 4y square equals to 1024, y square equals to 1024 by 4. So 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. Now y square equals to 256. So y equals to how much? 16. So if y equals to 16, x equals to how much? X equals to 4y. So 4 into 16, that is 64. These are the two numbers, 16 and 64. Okay. Next we have sum number 18. The product of two number is 18375 If one of them is 15 times the other, find the numbers. So the numbers are what? Numbers are x and 15x. X and 15x. So 15x into x equals to this one, 18375. 15x square equals to 18375. X square equals to 18375 by 15. So 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15 again. 6 7 8. 5 6 are 30. 7s are 35. 5 5s are 20. 3 12s are 36. And 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Now we have to find out the square root of 1225. 1225, what's the square root? It's 4 4s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 9 9 10 11 12. 325. 6 6. So 65. So 35. Square root of 1225 is 35. X equals to 35 and 15x equals to how much? 15 into 35 is how much? 5 1s are 7. 4. So one number is your 35, other number is your 15x, so 15 into 35. So the numbers are 35 and 525. So that's it, class 6. Thank you.